Hello everyone, welcome to Driving Approach. My name is Alexei and you're watching Approaching Driving, or to be specific, another vlog. Right now is 7:30 a.m. It's 13 degrees Celsius outside. My day is starting fine. I'm off to work. Unfortunately, I didn't have the time to post the video yesterday. I posted a TikTok and an Instagram though, reel, but I'm gonna post that video today. Thursday, I usually don't work on Fridays. I actually don't work on Fridays, but I work every other weekend, and I do work this upcoming weekend, but I am off tomorrow, so I'll have at least one day off. This is how the day is starting. 210.9 gasoline, regular for 100 liters. So 2 liters, then almost 11 cents for 1 liter of gasoline, regular gasoline at this Petro-Canada. June 9th. Wow, at 7:30 is such a heavy traffic already at my favorite turn. My day is continuing. I'm going to my next patient. I need to stop by the gas station. Let's see if it's busy there or not. It started raining, as you can see, or I don't know if I don't think it was raining today yet. Or no, it was, I think. It's 9:12 already. Wow. Time is like going fast today. So I paid $60 for 28 liters, 48 milliliters, 450. $60 for 28 liters. My day is still going well. It's 12:21 now, and I am probably about 2 to 3 hours away from being done my work. 5 grand, 4,900 X5, first body for sale. Anybody needs it? I think it says 4,900, right? 3,900, 4,900 there, so it's about 5 grand. Interesting. Probably sold as is, probably not certified and e-tested, even though you don't need to do an emission test right now because it was dropped. So many things were dropped this year and last year. Emissions test was dropped. It's not there anymore. Registration fee for the car that you had to do yearly, or you could pay for 2 years. The stickers are free now. You still have to do them, but you don't have to pay for them, and I think you can do it online. That was dropped. They should just drop the insurance altogether for the car, and then it will be so much easier to own cars in Ontario and in Canada. Or they should make it mandatory that insurance should be $100 per person per car. Nationwide insurance. I'm down. I would sign up. Well, that's how my day is going. Just wanted to tune in and film a little bit. I was answering some comments on my TikTok page about the videos, about the first video from 10 days of engine parts, and from the second. The first one was about the piston, and second one was about the piston rings. And then the next one, the third one, is coming out soon, and it's about, I think it's about a connecting rod, which makes sense. If you guys are interested to see those videos, check out my TikTok. I always leave links on where to find me under the video. So in the description you can see the link to my TikTok page. You can go there and check out those videos there. I'm lucky enough because I have a half an hour break right now to read a little bit, so I'm gonna do just that. I'm continuing to read the Crush It by Gary Vaynerchuk. I could never pronounce his last name, even though we were born and like very close to each other. I think he's from Belarus. So I'm gonna continue reading his book. I'm on page 221 already. I'm like 40 pages away from finishing the book. That's exciting. I'm gonna get to reading, and I'll talk to you guys later. Well, this is the end of today's video. I got home already. I'm gonna go edit and work on some other content for you guys. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Alexei, this was Driving Approach, and see you in the next video.